Hi students, in this video we will discuss about nested if statement. So what is nested if? An if statement inside another if. That is, we will have one outer if. Inside this if condition there will be another if statement. That is, if this condition is satisfied, then only it enters into this if block and checks the second condition. Such statements we call it as nested if statements. Now here example let us discuss for nested if. So the example here is, so here we need to accept the student details, that is accept the marks of a student in 3 different subjects. Here let us see student details. We need to perform student details. So in the example program what we do here is we will accept the marks of a student in 3 different subjects. We need to calculate total and average. Now if the student is passed in all the subjects, if the student is passed in all the subjects, then we need to check whether he is passed in first division or second division or third division, or we need to check. Here the result here should be if he is passed in all the subjects. So result should be, if the average is greater than or equal to 60, result should be first class. If the average is greater than or equal to 50 and less than 60, if average is greater than or equal to 50 and less than 60, the result must be, we should display the result as C passed in second class. If the average is greater than or equal to 40 and average is less than 50, display the result as third class. Then if he is failed in any one subject, failed in any one subject, result must be failed. If he is failed in any one subject, result must be failed. So that we need to perform. So that what we do here is, first in the outer if, we will check whether he is passed in all the subjects or not. Then if he is passed in all the subjects, then we will check for first class or second class or third class. If he is failed in any one subject, then for this if we will write one else part and we will display the result as failed. We will display the result as failed. That is nested if. So we will see one example in, so I will use here Turbo C++ for executing the program. Here I have declared some variables: student number, S1, S2, S3 for subject marks, total, float, average. So accepting the student number from the user, here this is the variable declaration, and CLR SCR is a function for clearing the screen. Friends, in dev C++ we must use system of CLS. CLR SCR function will not work, so we must use that if you want to use in dev. Then here accept the student number. This is accepting the marks in 3 subjects, calculating total as well as average. Then display total and average. Now here using nested if to display the result of a student, so here we need to check whether he is passed in all the subjects or not. If S1 greater than or equal to 40, S2 greater than or equal to 40 and S3 greater than or equal to 40, that is if he is passed in all the 3 subjects, then enter into this block, then check for first division or second division or third division. If he is failed in any one subject, then from here control directly goes to this else part and displays the result as failed. When if the student is failed in any one subject, displays the result as failed. Here because as we are using logical and, he should pass in all the 3 subjects. Now here check the condition for average, then result. If he is passed in all the 3 subjects, then now here check the condition. If enters into this block, then if average greater than or equal to 60, then here braces are optional if there is only one statement. Display the result as first division slash n. Then else if average greater than or equal to 50, display the result as printf second division. Display the result as second division. Else display the result as third division. Third division. Right. This is using nested if statement. So what is nested if? If there is at least one if statement. Now first what it will do, accepts marks in 3 numbers, calculate total and average. If the student is failed in any one subject, directly goes to this else part and displays the result as failed. If he is passed in all the subjects, then it will check if average greater than or equal to 60, displays first division. If this is false, comes to this part. If average greater than or equal to 50, second division, else third division. No need to check condition for this else part because he already passed in all the 3 subjects. So definitely he will get any one division. If not first, if not second, definitely third division. So let me trace and show you the program. So accept the student number 101, marks in 3 subjects. So enter the marks. Here I am entering the marks 99, 89 and 12. So here to check whether he is passed in all the subjects or not. S1, you can see here S2 and S3, sorry, S3, then total, then average. Here by default total contains garbage value. Now total is 200, average is 66 point something. But what is the problem here? S1 99 greater than 40 true, 89 greater than 40 true, but 12 greater than 40 false. So it goes to else part directly and displays the result as failed. Now suppose if he is passed in all the 3 subjects, what happens? Then it will enter into this if block, then checks for first division or second division or third division. Let me run this program. Enter the student number 101, marks in 3 subjects, so 56, 67, 77. Then you can see the result here directly, displays the result as first division. Thank you. We'll see in next video, one more video on nested if example.